Hello YouTube, today I'm going to talk about a condiment that many Filipinos love. It's called bagoong. What is bagoong made from? Well, it's made from fish, shrimp or krill paste that has been fermented. What does it taste like? Well, it tastes fishy, but it's also got a salty, sweet and umami flavour, and it's quite complex flavour profile, which makes it very popular in a Filipino kitchen. The paste is traditionally fermented in brine solution for 1 to 3 months in earthenware pots. Bagoong isda is the fish version, and bagoong alamang is the shrimp or krill version. On screen here you can see the shrimp version. Bagoong isn't unique to just the Philippines. Many of the neighbouring countries also have their own version of fermented seafood fish type paste. On screen here you can see it being mixed with pinakurat, which is a spiced vinegar which is also popular to make a sauce which makes for dipping. It is quite a versatile condiment and can be used in many different recipes, such as with steamed rice or pork dishes, but in this case it's being had as a snack with fresh cut green mango. It's not so common to find in supermarkets outside of Asia, but if you look in your Asian specialist store, you can very often find bagoong on the shelf. If you're travelling in the Philippines, it's very easy to find. It's in almost every grocery store, and you might even find it in a small tinder hand shop. Also, if you're travelling, you may find that different areas have their own versions and use different types of fish or ingredients in their recipe. Obviously, I'm not a Filipino, so you can correct my pronunciations in the comments if you like. And if you find the video interesting, I'd really like it if you could like or subscribe to the channel. Thank you.